Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, this is my second time doing this video. Hold on, this is my second time doing this video, y'all. So this time, I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it together for y'all. Cause the first time was just, Anyways, I have a hair review for y'all, and this hair is from Zoe. I don't know if it's Zoe or Zoe, but I think it's Zoe. It's from Zoe Hair on Amazon. They reached out to your girl and wanted her to review some bundles, and I was so happy because I haven't reviewed any like bundles in a minute. Like I just been doing like crochet styles and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the hair they sent me. It came in this box and it says virgin hair, 100% human hair. And they sent me 3 bundles, a 14, 16, and an 18. And let me see. In the package, you got 3 bundles, and they all look really nice and full. So, you get a hairnet, and then of course, you get some little lashes, which are cute. And you know what? I think I'm gonna throw them on with this little natural look. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the bundle. So I'm gonna show y'all the 18-inch bundle. I am going to make a full wig out of it whenever I take these down, but for now, you know, I'm just doing this. So here's the bundle. It's really soft, and that's how big the bundle is. It has a slight smell to it, like slight smell to it. But it doesn't seem like it's something that can't be washed out. Like it's not the corn chip smell that most hair has. It's just like something that's been packaged up a long time. That's what it smells like to me. So what I'm going to do is compare these bundles. So I'm going to compare the 18 with, let's see, the 18 with the 16-inch bundle. And I'm going to comb them out just so they'll be like a little fluffy. And these are Kinky curly bundles, so they're definitely the same curl pattern. And you can a little bit tell that one is shorter. Yeah, you can right there. So that's these 2 curl patterns match. I guess just for the heck of it, we'll see if the 14-inch curl pattern match, because that is very important when you buy in curly bundles. So let's see. The 14 got a little bend in it, but I reckon that's okay. But ooh, this is cute. This is giving me ponytail vibes. Girl, this is gonna be cute. Let me know what full wig y'all want me to make with this. I thought about doing like a flip over, like the flip over method wig. I think that'll be really cute. But this is some cute ponytail hair too. And as y'all can see, it's moving nicely. All these bundles are thick and it's really soft. So I'm going to start packaging this hair back up. So oh, and it comes with this on it, like a little net, so that it just keeps the hair together and I guess fresher. Girl, don't give me the line, but I know it definitely keeps the hair together. Now, what you would pay for, let me see, for a 14, 16, 18, which is what I'm showing you now, it's $59.99. And of course, like It's $59.99, but I think that's a good price, especially for curly hair. I think this would be really cute as a ponytail, and I keep saying that, so I'll probably do it as a ponytail. I don't know. Let me know. Should I do a ponytail? Should I do a full wig? Should I do a half wig? Just let me know what I should do. But that's good. Like 55, what I say, $55.99 for 3 bundles, and they're big like this. I think that's good. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, when I take this out, I'm gonna install the bundles, but first I'm gonna wash them and all of that. You just want to make sure you wash your hair, just because like you don't know who's been touching it or none of that stuff. So make sure you wash it, and so that it'll drop and you can see the natural curl. So for this bundle, for this initial review, I think it's pretty good hair. I'm like 80% sure it's some good hair. I'm not 90%, I'm not 100% sure because I haven't worn it yet. So I'm gonna have to wear it and let y'all know how it is then. So for this video, that's basically it. The company is great with communication. Shipping is excellent. I got it before the actual delivery date, so I would say I got it in like 2 days, so that's not bad. You know, Amazon's always good with shipping anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all this hair real quick, and I'm gonna come back in another video, show y'all how I wash it and install it and everything like that. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later.